morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's day 3 in Goa. So we have covered most of the beaches and places in Goa as well. So today we are planning to go towards the fort side. Fort Agoda is one of them, and also our bikes are parked over here. It's parked over here. We thought why not give it a short break and try something different. So we have a Thar for today. So this will be our ride for today. You know, the interiors of the Goa, the roads and everything are quite good, but when it comes to the main road, the main highway, those are not in a very good condition. So we thought why not hire a Thar and we'll do some good off-roading and we'll be covering some places as well. So that's the Thar right away. So open one. The good thing about this Thar is it has a good music system, plus the AC is also working. I understand it's an open one, but again it's a foldable roof, so that should not be a problem. And it's not that sunny in Goa here, so yeah, hopefully we will enjoy the ride as well. We thought why not give it a short break to our bikes. Any which ways we have one more day, so we'll be planning something else. So that's the ride for today. So you know, my past experience with Thar was completely different because those were some old models, and you know, initially the Thar used to have those, you know, heavy feel on the clutch as well as on the gear shifts as well. But now, you know, this is the upgraded model, and obviously, you know, they keep on changing after every years based on the passing and what all this the norm is compliance with the Goa government. So that's a good thing about Goa, wherein, you know, you don't find those old Thars. These are some upgraded new models. So comparatively, you know, the clutch feel and everything is on a very lighter side. Not very light, but yes, it's on a lighter side. Plus the gear shifts are also slightly on a smoother side. Also the crank of the engine and everything is very smooth comparatively. So the vibration is comparatively very less. I was expecting it to be very on a higher side, you know. I'm not actually a Thar fan. I'll be very frank with you. I'm actually a Gypsy fan, but Gypsy, as you know, it's not under production, and considering that you don't find any, you know, those taxi Gypsy in Goa. You will find those private one which is highly customized and modified as well, which is being used by the locals. But when it comes to Gypsy, if you want to hire one, it's very difficult to find one of them. Gypsy, I mean, amazing, and it has those 1.3 engine, and it has a petrol engine, plus, you know, 4x4 options as well. So comparatively, when you compare the weight of Thar and Gypsy, Gypsy is again on a lighter side, so you actually get that kick and feel in Gypsy as compared to Thar. Thar again, you know, it has a good diesel engine, it's tried and tested, but you know, I'm not a very big fan of diesel engine. So let's give a crank to this beast and let's see how it performs. So this will be the first startup. Damn. So as you can see, initially you will feel the vibration, but you know, once it switch on, and even if I switch on the AC, I don't think it's putting much more pressure on the engine. So here is the AC. And luckily it's working. I was not expecting a air conditioned Thar though, but the good thing is it has air conditioning, so I can feel the cooling. It's a good thing. Nothing else, only it's running on low fuel, so we will top up the fuel and we will take a start. So we have this Thar for a complete day, so yeah, we have made some plans. Let's see if we can, you know, cover all those distances in one day. Rest, I don't think so you require more than one day to cover some, you know, off-roading places or any other places in Goa. Rest you can cover it in bike. Bike is anyway, anytime is it's a good option. But yeah, देखते हैं, we'll share you the complete Thar experience. For me also it's very new. So yeah, and also it has power steering. So it comes with those, you know, the bulky rims with those aftermarket alloy rims. So yeah, it's not very on a lighter side, but yes, it does look good. So So that's all about it, guys. Welcome once again. So we took a halt just before Chapora Fort, which is like a ride of 5 minutes from here. The place looks beautiful. That's the reason we took a halt over here. There's a photographic session which is going on over here. So I thought, why not capture some videos. I've also captured some time lapse as well. So let's see how it overall comes. But the view is simply amazing, man. It's so beautiful. We are very close to Chapora Fort. It's right across. We have just taken a halt, which is like 5 minutes away. So we'll be covering that place as well. It's been like more than 30 minutes. We are still sitting over here. Post that, we'll be going to Arambol Beach, which is almost like 30 minutes away from here. So let's see how it goes, man. So we took a halt of almost 30 minutes. There's a small shack over here. The guy over there makes an amazing pina colada. With or without alcohol, it depends. You can have it accordingly. So the fort is right across, and you know, it's not that hot, I would say. It's manageable. But if you're coming in the afternoon, I would recommend you to take a small halt and then head towards the Chapora Fort, because you know, it's an open fort and it's completely exposed. So you are exposed to sunlight, and it's 4:15 in the evening, so it's fine. I mean, it's not that sunny, so you can cover it very easily. So guys, finally we are at Chapora Fort. This fort is famous because you know, some of the scenes have been shot in movies like Singham, Dil Chahta Hai. That's the reason this fort is quite famous. As you can see this point as well, and also the view which you get is simply amazing. So guys, we left from Chapora Fort somewhere close to 4:30 in the evening itself, and we are at Arambol Beach right now. The beach is so live, and if you look at the view, I'm not sure if the GoPro is able to record this view or not. If GoPro is able to do some justice, but the view is simply amazing, as you can see, and the beach is very clean here. I mean, yeah. So here we are. My lunch is still pending, but even if I get a cup of tea, that's more than enough for me. So yeah, that's all about it. The Thar ride is going so far so good. So much guys for watching this video. Hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. That's all about it, guys. See you, take care and be safe.